Page 92, theme from the William Tell Overture, very famous melody. Last piece in the book. Congratulations, you made it this far. If you don't have a teacher, then I would encourage you to go back through the whole book again, review all the lessons again, review everything again. You're going to find you'll be able to play the pieces a lot easier, some of them faster, and yeah, just don't be in a hurry to go on to wherever you're going here. Anyway, about this piece, it's 2 pages long. Treble and bass clef, 1 flat in the key signature, we're in the key of F major, all the B's are flatted, 4 4-time signature, and we have a pickup beat. We're coming in on beat 4. Well, the first 3 counts of the measure are at the end, and this is beat 4. And we got eighth notes and quarter notes and dotted half notes and all kinds of fun going on. Let's take it one hand at a time, make sure we get the fingering and the rhythm and all that. The right hand, you're starting here. Actually, if you look ahead, at the end of the line there, it's here. You're actually here. Sometimes you got to look a few measures ahead and see what notes are involved and fingers involved to find out what your position is. So it's 4 and 1, 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and this rhythm is all over the place. I don't like using the same finger like this, especially when it moves quick, and this does move quick. So I'd like to do a 1-2-1, 1-2-1 on these, but I need to end on the thumb. If I do it that way, no. So I got to do a 2-1-2. I got to reverse it. I got to do 2-1-2. That way I end on the thumb and I can come up. So when I can, I'm going to 2-1-2 on these. Now, measure 6, you're here, scrunch up, and that's 1 and 2 and 3, and then they want 2. They want you in this position. Well, I'm going to do a 2-1-2 here. I don't want to use 2 on all of them. I'm going to do a 2-1-2 here also. That's pretty much the right hand. It's rather repetitious. Left hand, well, you got the chords. It's an F chord. We're not playing the C. The right hand's got it. So we're just doing these. Measure 4 is a 5/7 chord. Okay. Measure 9, you come down to the D minor chord. Okay. So much for the left hand. Put them together slowly. It's 2-1-2 here. Those last 2 eighth notes are by themselves. The left hand has a rest. You go through and put the hands together. I don't see anything tricky about the rhythm in here at all. If you've been doing the book and you've been fine with the book so far, there's nothing new here. So let's try the articulation. Here, connect this as best you can. I'm flexing at the wrist on this short. So the melody went down to the chord, just play it. You just get staccatos. And measure 9, you get accents. Play a little louder. You can play the accents out a little louder. That's pretty much the articulation. Dynamics, go to the melody if you can figure out where it is. Moderately soft, whatever you think that is. Everything else is in the background. So you measure 4. The third beat is melody. I bring it out. Measure 6, going to measure 7. Now I go up to moderately here. Keep the left hand in the background. Pick up to measure 9, now you're loud. That makes the accented note very loud. Left hand's in the background. And these accented notes, they're not staccato now. Hold them out. Now if you'd like to bring out the melody in that chord in measure 4, here, you can play that C in the right hand. Because that way you can bring it out and keep. You can bring it out. It's okay. You don't have to play it in the left hand just because the note is down there. You can play that with the right hand if you want to bring out that note. And if I were playing it for me, that's what I would do. I'd play it. I'd play it there. And also a measure 20, same thing. If you want to bring out that melody note in the chord, then play it with the other hand. And that's it's really rather repetitious. So you can put in the dynamics and all that stuff to keep it slow. I'm going a little fast, but you keep it slow until you can get it. But eventually you're going to want to speed it up. Which brings us to the speed. I like it as fast. It's the overall feel, but although you can, this is like a chase scene. We got the Lone Ranger doing his thing, High Old Silver and all that junk, and the horse is running off, and okay. But it has to be accurate. So don't go faster than accurate. Find the hardest part in it, wherever it is, and what you can do that accurately, that's how fast your horse is going to run. We've added a little bit of pedal on here. Measures 9 and measures 13. It connects these because this is connected here. So you want to pedal those measures, you go right ahead. Push the note down here, push the pedal down with the note because this moves too quick to do it. So immediately. And as you play the staccato notes in measure 10, lift the pedal up so we hear a staccato. Same thing in measure 13. Pedal with the notes and lift up with the staccato. That's the only pedaling they're doing here. I'm not going to actually show it. You can do that, I'm sure. If you want to add the pedal, that's fine there. Adds a little bit of contrast. You get a little bit of overtones and all, just for a little bit. And it's, it's connected. It's smoother. Let's play this together very slowly and double check all the notes and the rhythms. Not going to do any dynamics. I'll give us 3 counts. I'm not going to do the pedal either. I'm not going to show it or nothing, so you can do the pedal if you want. 1 and ready and go and.